Today we're going to learn how to play the song Idaho by Kristiane. We're going to have the capo on the 3rd fret, and the song is in G major relative to the capo. And for this song we're not going to play the 1st string, so you can mute that with your left hand or just not pick it. In the verse we start out with C major 7 sus 2. So this is basically a regular C major 7, just that we lift up the middle finger from the 4th string so it's played open. And then we go to E minor. And then we go to D6 sus 4, which is just that we have a regular C major 7 shape, and move those 2 fingers up 2 frets. So we have 5th fret, 4th fret, and open. And then we have B minor flat 6. And this is basically like a B minor chord playing the middle 4 strings. But we have the 3rd string played open. And we play these chords for 2 rounds for each verse. And the strumming pattern for this song is down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. In the chorus we stay for half as long on each chord compared to the verse. And here we start with E minor. And then we go to this C major 7 sus 2. And then to G. And then to D6 sus 4. And we use the same strumming pattern. So we play